So here are a couple of really quick tips to create some random text. So sometimes you're working on a PowerPoint slide, or you're working with a rapid e-learning course and you need to have some randomly generated text. Some people would call it placeholder text. I usually call it dummy text. Now there are a couple of ways you can grab that dummy text. One is you can just go to a company policy and copy and paste some of the text from there. But if you don't want to offend the legal people in your company, you can go ahead and create some random text. So the way you would do that is just go ahead and go to the shapes or insert a text box. Now when you insert a text box, you just kind of want to draw it about where you want it to be. Now I'm drawing the whole entire box here. It really doesn't matter. You really just want to kind of get the width, and then you do that and then enter your random text. Now the way you generate that is you go ahead and type an equal sign, then RAND, and then the parentheses, and then parentheses, and when you hit enter, that's going to generate some random text. Now in this case you can see the text actually is going over the slide. And you can move it around and do whatever you want to. Now here's another tip. Let me go ahead and delete that. Let's say you want to generate some random text and you want it to be a little bit less text, and you can control that. So you can go ahead and hit equal and then RAND for random and parentheses, and we'll go ahead and put one number in there. We'll just say 1, and that's going to be one paragraph. And when you do that, you can see you've got one paragraph. Now let's go ahead and let's back up here. We'll do that again. Let's go ahead and do 2 paragraphs so you can see the difference. And we'll hit enter, and now you can see I've got 2 paragraphs of random text. Now you have a little bit more control. Let's go ahead and do enter, and we'll do RAND parentheses. Now what we're going to do is we're going to say we want 2 paragraphs. We'll put a comma, but we want each paragraph to have 3 sentences. So I just go ahead and type a 3 and then do that, close out the paragraph, and then hit it. And so now you can see we've got 3 lines of text and 2 paragraphs. So it's an easy way to generate random text in PowerPoint. And then I believe in the PowerPoint 2010 you'll actually be able to use the lorem ipsum code rather than the quick brown fox code. But if you just want some random text real quick, that's a quick way to do it. So equal, random, parentheses, and you're done.